watch some of my other videos, I literally be real discreet and kind of I let you know how to do it for real, because a lot of people don't, they may be uncomfortable talking about it, but me, Crazia K, I'm gonna let you know how to do it, because I was one of those females that really didn't even know how to wash her peaches. Okay, so yeah. Hey y'all, it's me, Crazia K. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. If you want to know how to become a K Diamond, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the K Diamonds family. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, so this video is my favorites HYGIENE 2024 HYGIENE products. So I just have some products that I picked up out of my room and my bathroom just to show you all my favorites, and some of them is almost empty, okay? So we're gonna have to re-up on it. So I'm not going in order, I'm just gonna pick it up and just show you guys what my favorites are for the year of 2024 thus far. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to pick up my body wash. One of the body washes that I love using. I don't know why I tend to go towards this scent when it comes to perfumes, when it comes to soaps, when it comes to lotions. I always tend to go towards like a rosy scent, like a rosy scent type. Okay, so this body wash from Dove, it is the Renewing Peony and Rose Oil body wash. Girl, when I tell you this stuff smells good. Now she don't only smell good, but she also smells good when you get out the shower. You can actually smell yourself. Okay, so you know how sometimes you may use like a body wash and you get out and girl, you don't even smell the body wash. No baby, this Peony and Rose Oil Dove body wash works wonders. All right, so she smells amazing. Of course, Dove always come through with the moisturizer, honey. So yeah, go ahead and pick y'all up some of this. All right, so that is the first one that I'm going to show you all. Now, for those of you who don't know, or if you're new to my channel, I always tell the girlies before you even apply any type of body wash, definitely use your Dial bar soap to get that bacteria off your body. You got to use an antibacterial soap, okay? The next product I am going to show you all, y'all probably like, girl, why is you showing us this? Well, I believe that your hair is included, of course, in your hygiene, and any type of products that you are using on your hair is included in your hygiene product, girl. So I just had to come and show y'all my edge control that I usually use, girl, to keep these edges down and intact. So this is the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Water-Based Pomade in the pineapple scent. Now she smells so good. She literally smells like pineapples. Now, one thing I do enjoy about Style Factor Edge Booster is that they have a lot of different scents. Like, their scent smells so freaking good. So right now I have the pineapple, and like I said, they have other scents too. So if you don't like the pineapple scent, they have options, okay? You know how some people don't have options, but some edge boosters don't have options, but girl, Style Factor came through with the options of scents that they have, and this stuff will hold your edges till the next day or 2-3 days. And one thing I noticed about this too, y'all, I will apply this one time and go to sleep the next day. Just say for instance, like the next day it lift up a little bit. All you have to do is just put water on your brush and brush it, and it will go straight back to laying slick all day. Okay, so that's another thing that I like about this product. Now, for my moisturizing, now I do have a lot of different moisturizing products, girl, because you know your girl like trying different stuff. But one of my body lotions that I really enjoy using after I apply my body oils and stuff like that, this is the EOS 24 Better 24 Moisture Body Lotion in the coconut waters. Girl, let me say you, anything coconut I really enjoy. Anything coconut, because coconut is not like a strong scent. It's just that smooth, light, clean scent when it comes to coconut, okay? So this right here has coconut in it. It literally smells like coconut. All right, so if you don't like coconut, girl, I don't suggest you get it. EOS have a lot of good products. I have the other body lotion too. I forgot the name of it. I have to show y'all that in another video. But this is the coconut waters, the coconut waters kind, okay? Like I said, it says 24-hour moisture, soothing protection for dry skin. Your girl had a snaky skin. So if I don't moisturize my skin, girl, my skin be so dry. My skin so dry that my cuticles even be like chipping and just thick, and it don't make sense. All right, another moisturizing that I do like using, y'all, is This stuff right here, I haven't been to Victoria's Secret in a long time. So baby, when I tell y'all I be trying to hold on to this stuff, I haven't used her in a minute because she's just that damn good. But this is the Cocoa Coffee plus coconut oil body butter. Now one thing I will tell y'all, I don't usually like coffee scents, but being though that this has coconut oil in it, it kind of eliminates the coffee scent that is in here. But she smells so freaking good mixed up with that coconut. They knew what they was doing when they did this. But this is the Cocoa Coffee extract plus coconut oil. This is from Victoria's Secret. Okay, this is from Victoria's Secret. When I tell y'all, girl, sometimes you don't even need to use oil with this because it already has a oil base to it, like the coconut oil that is in here. Y'all can see this is how much I used so far. And when I tell y'all, she smells so freaking good. She smells so good. So you definitely want to go to Victoria's Secret, honey, and get that, okay? Now, another moisturizing that I do have, well, we're gonna skip that. We'll go to something else. So what I usually moisturize my face with, if y'all are new to my channel, girl, I don't usually moisturize my face with anything else but this. I have sensitive skin. My skin is very, very sensitive. If anything break out, I prefer my arm or my legs or something to break out. But my face, baby, no, 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 no. You gotta take care of that face, boo, okay? So this is what I usually use, which is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This is the only moisturizing that I use on my face, all right? The only moisturizing that I only use on my face, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. Now you can also use this Palmer's Cocoa Butter. You can also use this Palmer's Cocoa Butter all over your body, girl. But if you don't want to use it all over your body and you just want to use the body oil, then go ahead and do that, boo. But this is what I use on my face. If you're the type of girl that usually have sensitive skin and your face is easily to break out, then girl, go ahead and get, oh my goodness, girl, my lashes just fell. Then I hope y'all can't see that either. But yeah, so if you that type of girl that got that sensitive skin and you know you just don't like putting a lot of different stuff in your face, because a lot of ladies will put this, that, and all over. I'm very basic when it comes to my face. To cleanse my face, I use Noxzema or unscented Dove soap, and I will moisturize my face with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. So you can definitely try my skincare routine method. If you want a skincare routine, definitely let me know, comment down below and let me know like if you want to see the whole routine. But that's what I moisturize my face with. Now when it comes to scents and like perfumes and oils and stuff like that, this right here I bought from Amazon, girl. All the girlies was raving about this on TikTok one day a long time ago, and I have like 3 different ones. So this is like a what they call it, like a girl, what they call this is like a I forgot. But anyway, this is a body oil, and what I like about it, look how this is how it comes. Y'all see that? So it's not like a spray or nothing like that. It just, you put it and then you just put it on your arm, and it's just a body oil perfume, okay? This one is the pink one. I forgot. Oh, this is called the Swiss, oh, it's the Swiss Arabian brand, but this is the scent in O'Malley. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all probably can't see it, but this is in the scent O'Malley. And like I said, I have 2 other ones, and I tell y'all, oh my gosh, when I tell y'all this stuff smells so good. Now this type of oil based perfume you can smell while you're walking down the hallway, okay? I'm just spilling the tea. I'm giving it to you because yeah. So when it comes to deodorant, y'all, deodorant. Now I try to use any type of deodorant that doesn't have any what y'all call it, doesn't have aluminum in it, because you know they say aluminum be causing all type of stuff, okay? So we try our best to stay away from aluminum deodorant. So I purchased this Old Spice Gentleman's Blend in a eucalyptus and coconut oil. Girl, don't be sleeping on the men's deodorant, because sometimes these women deodorant might just be too light for you, okay? But anyway, so I found this Old Spice eucalyptus and coconut oil scent, and it has 0 aluminum in it. And when I tell y'all it works, it smells so good and it works wonders. So I picked this up. I've been using it for like a month now, y'all. So this is how it looks. All right, the eucalyptus brand. I mean the Old Spice brand. So yeah, so if y'all want to try that out, definitely go pick it up from Target or Walmart or wherever you want to pick it up from. Now, one of the body washes that, well, the feminine wash that I like using, girl, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, put y'all on, is the Honey Pot Unscented sensitive feminine wash. Now, if you haven't heard of Honey Pot, girl, I don't know where you at, you living out of space somewhere, but yeah, Honey Pot is a good brand. Now, I did hear that she sold her company or something, I don't know, but anyway, her products are still good. So I do have this Honey Pot sensitive feminine wash that is really good. Now, if y'all want to break down on how to wash your peaches, the peaches is the girl downstairs, your JJ. If y'all want to know how to really wash her good and, you know, to help eliminate odor from down there, then I suggest you watch some of my other videos. I literally be real discreet and kind of I let you know how to do it for real, because a lot of people don't, they may be uncomfortable talking about it, but me, Crazia K, I'm gonna let you know how to do it, because I was one of those females that really didn't even know how to wash her peaches. Okay, so yeah. Now, a body oil that is one of my favorites, and she is almost empty, I got it from Target, is this French, I don't even know how to pronounce this word, y'all, but it's the French Shea Lavender Cloud body and hair oil. When I tell y'all, this stuff smells amazing. So it looks like this. Okay, but when I tell y'all, she smells amazing. Now, it does say hair and body. Yeah, it says hair and body, and she smells so freaking good. Now, another thing that I do want to show y'all is probiotics. These Love Wellness probiotic pills. Now, ladies, you need to take your prebiotics and your probiotics. Not only do you need to take care of yourself on the outside, baby, but you got to take care of yourself on the inside. You have to take care of yourself on the inside of your body, honey, because how else will you be smelling good if the inside is not right intact? Okay, so make sure you go pick up any type of probiotics or prebiotics that you choose, but this one right here that I'm using right now is the Love Wellness brand, and you can actually pick this up from Ulta, Target, Walmart, or wherever. All right, so last but not least, I'm gonna show y'all my perfume that I'm currently using, and I've actually had this for a long time, but I really don't want to run out, because girl, this perfume is expensive. It's the Bun 9 NoHo. Now, when I tell y'all, y'all know these Bun 9 perfumes is $200, $300, $400 some dollars, but this one right here I think was like $2 something. And like I said, I bought this a long time ago, boo. I bought it a long time ago, but she smells amazing. All right, she smells so good. Now, Bun 9 perfumes is the type of perfumes you really don't even need to layer it, because it's that potent and that strong that when you walk past somebody, it really is down the hall. So the Bun 9 NoHo, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but so yeah, ladies, that is all that I have for you all. That is my favorites hygiene products video for 2024. We will be back with another one later on, probably in what, a month or two, who knows, but because you know I go through a lot of products so many times, honey. I like to try different things. But if y'all like this video, girl, and you like hygiene stuff, self-care stuff, girl talk, if you like this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Join the K Diamonds family, honey. Join the K Diamonds family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give me a like so we can jump in the algorithm. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know how you feel. What are your favorite products? And yeah, bye.